What is up? And today we are doing a Blender tutorial. I've never done a Blender tutorial before. So in this tutorial we're going to be creating this realistic moon in Blender. If you don't know what Blender is, you can go download it if you want to. I have the description of Blender if you want to download it in the description below. But today we will be creating a realistic moon in Blender. So if you are new to the channel, remember to like and subscribe. How you make a realistic moon is go over up here to this little bar up here on the right. So shut off this, click the eye on light and click the eye on camera. So now you have this cube. So delete the starting cube and replace it with a UV sphere. So if you don't know how to add something really quick, just do Shift A and then click here. And so I'm gonna press delete again because I lost all my settings. So before you do that, don't click off anything. Just make sure you're still on this. Then go down here, because if you click off, then you lose these settings and you can't come back to them. So go to segments. Once you have it, go to segments, and type in 64, and then go to rings and type in 32. Boom. There we go. So now we have this. Now let's click off. And so now we have this sphere. And now I'll have some photos in the link in the description to get the NASA website from the photos and the displacement. So I'll show you right now. So get your go to your Chrome browser, and then you grab this, and this is the CGI moon kit. So when you go to here, you get sent directly right here, and then click download, and then click this one right here. I'm not going to download it because I already have it. And then go down, scroll down, and this one's color, and then you scroll down and it'll say displacement. Then click here, download, and download this one right here. And then once you have those, go back to Blender and go here and go to shading. Now once you're in shading, make sure you click on the sphere and then press new. Then go to the material output and pull it all the way out. And then we'll zoom in a little bit here and then press Shift A to add a new thing and do image texture. Now add an image texture and make sure you set it right here. And then you're going to need another one, so you don't have to do it all over again. Just click on it, click on the image texture, and do Shift D. That will duplicate it. Then, when you have it, go over and click here. Now, go and press open on this one. Not this one, but this one. Press open. Now, go to wherever you had your textures, which mine was right here. And click on the moon texture. Don't do the displacement one, use the color one. So click on the color one, don't put the displacement, because the displacement is going to go over here. So once you did that, go to color, pull color to base color on this big one right here, and then you'll see that it's all like this. But you see how like there isn't, like, it doesn't really look realistic because there isn't any bumps in it. It just looks like it's just a flat, weird thing. Then go over here, this is the displacement. So right here, press open, go to the Blender textures, and now use the displacement one. So once you have the displacement, you'll be good. Then do Shift A, and you can search dis, and then you'll find displacement. So then click it here, and I'm gonna pull material output out. And then once you're ready, then grab color and connect it to height, and then grab the displacement on this side and connect displacement to here. And so guys, before I let this go, remember to like and subscribe to this video. Okay, so it's gonna load because it's gonna be hard to load. There we go. So you see how there's actually bumps in it. It actually looks so realistic. It looks really good. So now go back to layout, and then up here, this is the render time. This is the real render time. Click here, boom. So this is real time. Now you see that like it's just the moon. So you know how you can't really like see very much bumps or anything. So now what you want to do is click on the light right here, and boom, you'll start seeing the bumps. Then you can click here, click on the lights, undo the eye, click on the light, then go down to the light setting down here, and click sun. Then your sun will be like really, really, really bright. Then change this all the way down to 30. Boom. And then change the angle to 0.500. So 0.500. Boom. So change the angle to 0.5 actually. You can just do 0.5. And then specular, click on this and just go 0, and boom. So then make specular 0. Then when you're ready, go over to this. It looks like the world. It says world properties. It looks like an actual Earth. Click on this, then click here. But don't click this circle. Click this color. Then change this all the way down to black. Then you see it looks really realistic. Like, look how real that looks like. Then if you want to see any of the bumps, you're probably gonna want to twist it around so you see this side because there's bigger bumps. Do this, click over here, and then you'll see just barely that you can see this. And if you can't really see that well, then just click this, or you can click the dev, or so you can just click this, and then probably gonna want to click the dev one so that you can actually see everything. Then when you're ready, just like stick it in the right place, and boom. Then click on real time again, and then here we go. So this is our moon. So we have our moon now, and now we can click on camera. Now we go to camera, press 0 on your numpad, and boom. So then you'll go directly to your camera. Then go to your camera, zoom all the way in so that you're exactly what the camera can see. Then press right click, and then actually click on the camera, then press right click, and then click camera lens angle. Then you'll start moving back and forth like this. Go all the way back, and up here you'll see right here, up in this you'll see that. So go all the way until it says camera angle at 20.0. So 20.0, there we go, and boom. So this is like the right camera angle, and then you can just start zooming in. So by doing that, you can also just click here and click on the camera, and then click here, and then you can just like start moving around, trying to get in the right spot. And so once you get in the right spot, then you can get like in the right spot with the camera, have it like right here, have it there, and then click rendering. Once you have like all your render settings you like, go up here to render and click render image so that you can render your image and save it on a file, so that it will just look like this on a different file. It look really cool. And so this is actually what it looks like after. This is my after thing that I did, and it looked really, really cool. So that's what you guys can make with this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.